The video of Indian Learner. In this video I am going to show you how can you edit your picture using PicsArt. So PicsArt is a free software or application which is available on the Google Play Store, and everybody of you are having a Android phone can have it. So firstly you have to download it, and I have already downloaded it, so I will start up by adding, then edit. In edit you have to select the picture, so I am selecting this picture which I have taken from the internet. So this picture is from internet, so it might look quite pre-edited kind of so that's okay. So now it's done. So firstly we can see the tools. It's crop, free crop, shape crop, dispersion, clone, stretch, motion. So these are all the kind of options which are generally not used for editing a picture, except the crop function. Then going up to the effects. In effects we have different type of effects, so you can use effects like this for different purpose. Like this is the negative one, then you can erase particular portion like the background. Or you can so that's how you can use this function. So let's go for the next function. I will not save the changes. So now we will go to beautify. This has most of the useful functions which we can need. First one is the smooth. So this function basically smoothens your picture or whatever you are editing. You can see the change now. And now this might be used for giving some extra effects. So just we will leave this one. Then we will go to face fix. Let's see. Face fix. So now I am doing the face fix on the face. You might see some changes. I am going to increase it, and then again. So this is the change you can see. Then I'm not going to keep this one also, so I will discard it. Going up to detail. This is a kind of a function which is useful, and I also like it. So using this function we can show up the details, like you can see the hairs. Now I have used it on the hairs. Now I am using it on the eyes, lips, ears, and you can see the change. This is looking much better than it was before, so I will keep this one.